Flabby Bird installed, you guys are gonna need a jailbreak device. You're gonna need to go to vShare or Tongbu. I recommend vShare the best. You can just download it from there. I don't want copyright, so yeah, nothing. So basically, you download from there, Flabby Bird. If you guys don't have it, because the creator was too dumb to take it off. So, which you go into iFile. Let's go to. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys how to go into this. You go into VAR, mobile, applications, and if you guys don't have this shown up, you go to settings and go to file manager. You go here to application names, swipe that on, then you just go to Flabby Bird, flap.app, atlas.txt, text viewer. Then you go right here, pipe up when you see this right there, and then until 5. I recommend doing it until 5. If you guys do it till 1, it's actually pretty good also, on the 1, 2. But I use it until 5, and then all these, the one that say pipe, and then pipe up. The ones that say pipe up and pipe down, I put 5, but you guys can put 1 or 5. That's right there, and then press done. Delete the data for Flabby Bird. Do not delete the data for my file. And then you guys just go over here, load up Flabby Bird. Load up Flabby Bird. Keep, tap. Then you guys are gonna be seeing those. And sorry guys, you guys are gonna need a jailbroken device with Cydia. Or with jailbroken Cydia, so make sure you get the jailbreak. And I recommend an untethered jailbreak, if you guys don't know. That's what happens. Untethered means that whenever you turn off your mobile, your iOS device, or whenever you guys are using, it will not make it to reboot. So I recommend doing those, being untethered, because it's really smart, and like my iPod always turns off, and I have to reboot with an application or something like that. So that's how you do that. That's how I like to use my jailbreak. This going right to 35, and I'm just never mind. Sorry. See, 183 is my best. I'm at 32, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment below. And it's simple, really easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can make this hack with a jailbreak. Sorry about that. I'll say everybody hates me when I say jailbreak. And there's thousands of videos on how to jailbreak. You can just check on YouTube or anything. So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you later.